Amaphesenti angu-87 ezisebenzi avotela ukuba kungenelwe isiteleka okokuqala ngqa emlandweni wale nyuvesi. Inyunyana ithi izisebenzi zisebenza ngokuzikhandla ngisho nangesikhathi se-COVID-19 ekufundiseni nasekufundeni. Ngo-2020 izisebenzi azizange zikhushulelwe imiholo.
We care deeply about our students and the impact that a strike would have on students. We have never, through the history of the AU, ever been at this point that members are willing to strike. The university offered us a 0% increase in 2020. Members were not willing to strike. But this week, 87% of our members voted to engage in industrial action.
Emva kwezingxoxo ezithathe isikhathi eside, kwafaka incwadi enkantolo yezisebenzi kwaba nomhlangano nezikhulu ekuqaleni kukaMasingana. Umqashi wathembisa ukuthi uzobuya nesiphakamiso esisha, kepha lokhu akuzange kwenzeke.
The executive has always remained open and transparent on the university's financial outlook and its implications for the many areas of UCT's operations. There is currently an ongoing process to address the issues that have arisen, and the executive is very confident that it will yield an acceptable outcome soon.
Njengoba kusalindwe isitifiketi sokungenela isiteleka, inyunyana ithi ihlela ukuqala ngembhikisho emncane phakathi nesonto.
We hope that management will realize that the significance of the disruption that might ensue, but at this point they've left us no choice.
Umolt uthi ezinye izikhungo zemfundo ephakeme eseziphothule izingxoxo zemiholo zivumelene ngokukhushulelwa kwemiholo ngaphezulu kwamaphesenti ayisithupha.